Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on iPhone iPad issue solved. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. Tap on so swipe quickly up down and tap on hold power button. Tap on power off and on your device. Tap on enter code. Now solution number 2. Now tap on mobile phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on general. Scroll down. Tap on transfer or reset icon. Tap on reset. Tap on reset all settings. Enter your passcode and after doing reset all settings. After this go back. Now tap on software update and update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and after you need go back. After go back and refresh with report on laptop. After doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.